Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well conditioned. And today I will describe or discuss again about my trade which I'm done today after the 24 trade, and it's just like a marathon for the first time because I have running out of the time on the 24. And let's see what this can analysis that I can tell us here, you and me also. And let's start with the number one, and the result was 100% profit, guys. 100%, so 3 trade is profit. But actually what I'm feeling here that I'm not doing a good trade here because I'm against the minor uptrend. Okay, now you will see why this trade is profit. Okay, but in my perception this trade is not good for the long term because it's some kind of against the trend. But when live trade happen, it's kind of it's kind of habit too that affecting my analysis or my brain to think that is why we have to conscious that we learn to conscious. Okay, we learn to conscious that something like this is not good trade, even it was going to be profit. So before in the 24 I'm just lost here at the last of my trade, and I'm starting on the 25 with another 3 trades which I'm done here. The first, as I remember, second was here and the third was here, and it's all profit. But you see it's again the minor, okay, the strong minor uptrend. But why it's profit? Because only first is it's only because of the safe entry and the backup of the level, like I'm using here Fibonacci level. And let's see the number one. The number one was here. Okay, why this is profit? Because only of a safe entry. Okay, so the analysis was not correct because this is going to be bullish, not bearish. Okay, so why this not bearish? Because this is still strong, which is the breakout and the kind of retracement in form of the consolidation small here, and then the price continuing up. And why I can do a sell here? Okay, that is the question. And the question was because of this level I see was the 38.2. You can see on the live trade on 25 August that I'm also uploading before this kind of analysis is uploaded. It's already uploaded for the live trade. So this is 38.2 I see, and I see this previous candle was a kind of doji and the breakout upper and lower shadow too. So maybe the measure I analysis here, the measure was ranging, and in my expectation that in here, in this area, especially here, will happen some kind of consolidation because this is 38.2. the measure is still a little bit off down. This is the 50 EMA, so I just put the risk here, but not here. Okay, because I'm also kind of maybe I am entering here, and the leg was have me a good opportunity too, but it's against the minor, and the area of the seller, the area to doing sell is not good because this is in the upper side of 2 deviation. So that is the first entry which I'm done, but again this is not the good quality of entry because it's contradictive with the trend. So that is the number one. So now move to the second one. The second one is a little bit of work. So the analysis going candle going bearish. So the analysis is going work. Why is that happen? In with the logic is because this trend here, when the price arrive here, is a little bit of weak. Instead of here, this is just still a little bit strong, and when arrive here, then it's getting weak. So here it can make a bearish candle, because only a weak trend can make another the opposite of a pressure. If not, then the case will be like this. You see a doji, but here happen a bullish, here happen a bearish. So what else that I'm considering to do a sell here? In this kind of condition is a little bit like not so bad, because this is you can read that this is probably a consolidation with this kind of significant candle, and the significant candle that is fail. Okay, this is the hammer that is flathead, it's fail to doing a bullish candle here, a continuation. And then here was the level 61, here was a big level of ratio. Okay, big ratio level of Fibonacci here, and that is why I'm doing a sell here, then which I'm expecting that the price will not cross 61.8 which very easily. Okay, so that is only the reason that I'm profit. But in this kind of condition is a little bit of okay, it's not so bad to do a trade sell here, because the context was in consolidation. You see, actually here actually already a consolidation, because it's only make a doji. Okay, if you count this 3 1 2 3, it's only a doji, so that's mean a consolidation there. So that is why, because of the safe entry and in the right context, doing sell at resistance on consolidation. But again, the consolidation is also a little bit risky to doing a trade. But that is the reality that that I'm done. So that is has to be some explanation on that. So the next trade, the last of the 25, is again going ETM in the money or profit. And then here I see the previous one, so this is my level ratio. You see a Marubozu big breaking. This is the big ratio, guys. The big ratio is broke by a Marubozu, but Marubozu is not strong enough to break this level. Here the level of 14.6, if you know, because here was the zero level, which is the round number 00. So that is why this candlestick is doing a retracement here, because of some kind of lost momentum here after the strong minor uptrend, and it's already happening a consolidation here, but it's breakout again for the tentative movement. It could be because at the end they just doing something like probably ranging here and doing uptrend, I don't know, the next. And that's it. And the entry was also nice here, because I'm waiting the price is a little bit up of this level, so it's like margin of safety, and then I just doing a sell option there. Why here I'm not trusting this Marubozu breakout? Because of this. Okay, this candlestick and this candlestick, this is like a consolidation, guys, and here like a resistance with this specific wick and the level of 14.6, but actually they are reacting with the 14.6 to go retrace. And then here you see the bigger ratio is reacting too and making a bullish small. But here if you do a buy option here, it will be probably a leg make you here, and then you just get out of the money. And that is why the risky of a consolidation when this candlestick is appears and the leg is influence your entry. So for this one is a little bit kind of uh, expectation, maybe kind of gambling, because the only reason, the rational reason, is because only of the lost momentum. You see this hammer not breaking this level, and this Marubozu is not breaking this level, so this context was a like ranging, not ranging, consolidate, a doji in the tree. Okay, in the tree was bullish, and then it has to be a retracement because of the lost momentum in the context of ranging market, because in between there are 100 EMA, so also the flat 50 EMA, so this is entering the ranging market. So that is the reason, guys. Probably this kind of context is also same thing like this one, guys. You see here, this specific week, it's all not be broken. Here broken a little bit, but not so nice. This is hammer, this is Marubozu, this is hammer, same strong, okay, but actually it's lost momentum. They make bearish, that is a different kind of perspective that we can see, but this is it. Okay, this is it. So thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. And okay, maybe you want to see this kind of result, which I'm also record here, so I know the quality of the trade and what I'm done, if it's against the mission or not. Here was the result, guys. This is the result of the first week of this August of this experimentation, and you see the ratio that I'm giving here was 3-3-3. That's mean not good, great quality of entry. So the entry was bad here, and let me see the entry that below 5 grade. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and of course that this is totally 15, and the 6 is good, great quality. So I still do a bad quality of trade here, because I do only 6 and the bad trade was 9, so that is not good for this mission for safe entry. So the mission in this month was the safe entry, and the grade of entry was here. Okay, maybe I can count the bad one. 1, 2, this is below 5, 3, 5 is also not good, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, and the good entry was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6, and then it's 9, guys. Oh, why is so confluence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7, guys. 7, and it's a little bit of average. 7 bad entry point, and it must be the 8 of a good entry point. So it's like a average, still on the average. So I see that my psychology is still doing average on the safe entry, so I will probably fixing here in this kind of week. So now it's kind of okay, the entry was 2 times was great, 1 time was not good. This is the last entry. This is the last entry, guys. So this is kind not so bad, so I will put it like 6 here, because you see I just waiting for a better opportunity here above the 16.6. You can see in the video, I just remembered it. And that is, guys, so you can download this kind of sheet, Excel sheet, in the last of the month. Okay, so thank you guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.